Students, welcome back from spring break. You may have heard that some updates and changes to the AP exam and announcements have come out this past Friday. So I want to go over it with you a little bit. But first, you may hear my two boys screaming in the background. If they do, if you hear it, just please ignore them, okay? Just like how you guys ignore me sometimes when I'm talking in the classroom. So if you go under students and you go to AP exam schedule, it'll list all the times and all the dates of your classes, of your tests. Um, Basically, everything got moved back 1 week. Okay? So, for example, our AP stats exam, they saved the best for last, or second to last, is at Pacific time, so 11 a.m. Okay, we're in Pacific time for those of you that don't know. It's on Friday, May 22nd. It was going to be on Friday, May 15th, but like I said, everything got shifted back 1 week. So that means you better be awake and ready to take this test. So you better set your alarm to wake up that day, May 15th. Sorry, May 22nd. Okay? If you want to look a little bit more specifically, I like this because they tell you what's going to be on the test. It looks like it's simply going to be two questions. Okay, you have question one, question two. You have to finish question one in 25 minutes and then you submit it. Okay, once you submit it, it says you cannot, once the response to question one has been submitted, you cannot go back to it. So once you go to question two, you cannot go back to question number one. Notice that they're weighted a little bit differently. It makes sense, right? The first question is weighted a little bit more. It looks like everything is fair game. So exploring data is like uh, making a box plot, making a histogram, comparing mean and median. Okay. Sorry? I'm sharing You're sharing with brother? Yeah. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Sorry. Um, so experimentation and sampling is how would you set up an experiment? How would you stratify, random sampling, things like that. On this one, I eat that. Yes, eat kale and fruits and veggies. Yes, that's very good for you, okay? And then probability and simulations. So Venn diagrams, binomial, geometric stuff. Inference is all the confidence intervals and hypothesis tests we've been working on the last month plus. Okay? So both questions. Hey, boys, not right now. Okay, give me a second. Same thing as I told you before. Units 1 through 7 only. No units 8 through 9. If you want to know what's on unit 8 and 9, no, you can say that for after, okay? Eat your fruits and veggies. 5 different colors a day. Okay? Say yes, Papa. Say yes. There you go. Good job. Good job. Stay away from Takis. Other things are listed here. The investigated task is basically question number 6 from each test. It was always like a super hard, super stretch question. So we won't have that. You have your formula sheet. So I say you have this printed out or have this with you. You can use your calculator.
He punched me.
He punched you? Okay. Remember, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only love can. I'm sorry, only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. Martin Luther King Jr. Remember that. You can use your calculator. So what I think is the reason why some of you are probably salivating like, oh my gosh, I'm just going to copy answers from someone. I'll just, text my friend and then I can have that written down. 25 minutes is not a lot of time to do that. Okay. So consider that. I think on purpose, they're limiting the time. So, because if they give you 3 hours, yeah, you can talk to each other about it. Now the AP test, they know that, let's face it, some students are going to cheat and try to talk to each other about things. So what they have said on this page right here is they talk about somewhere right here. I'm sorry. There was something about exam scoring. Okay, I don't know, but I know the questions are going to be more difficult this year. Okay, so they're not going to be like our easy quiz questions throughout this year. There are going to be things that are going to require you that 11 a.m. once the test starts, you're going to jump in and get going. They're probably going to have something like some kind of word checker where if your response is verbatim the same as someone else, then they're going to come.
We can go play outside
Yes.
after my nap.
Yes, we will go play outside in a little bit. Okay, Papa's talking to Papa's students right
In 1
now.
minute.
Try recite the digits of pi, and then we'll talk in a second. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay? Go say hi to the grasshopper friend. They are gonna be checking your words, so be careful on that.
To what?
Hold on. So you can use your cell phone. Basically, look at this page some more, and it'll give you more details. I know you're gonna have more questions. I know you're gonna have more questions like the week leading up to AP exams. This is all new for everyone, so it's okay to ask questions. Okay, like I think we should even like simulate this one time. We should have a practice AP exam. That would be a great idea. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.